Lots of questions recently about how I keep my teeth white, like what I use to whiten them. I drink a lot of coffee and I don't know, they weren't like mustard yellow, but I was not happy with my smile. But anyway, so like 4 years ago, I decided to take the plunge and I purchased the Crest 3D white strips, and I got the professional effects. They are pricier and they are more intense, but they get the job done. It was literally like, I felt like a completely different person. My teeth went from like pretty yellow to white as paper. They were so white using these, and I haven't used them again since. And I just purchased these like 2 weeks ago because I wanted to do it again, and I have already used 4 of them. I still have like a lot more to go. But I was really, really happy with the results of these. I have just been a loyal customer to the Crest 3D white strips. So that is what I did to get them white.